guys, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I know we've been gone for a while, we've had a lot going on, but we're back now and we have a lot of new hairstyle videos coming your way. One of the things we've been up to recently is creating a new sister channel to this one. It's called ASK Beauty and More, and that channel focuses more on makeup, skincare, and lots of other fun stuff. You'll have to go check it out to see. I'll have the channel linked below in the description bar. So be sure to go over there and subscribe to that channel. And if you'd like, leave a comment on one of the videos on that channel and let us know that you came there from Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. So today we're going to be doing a lace braided ponytail. And Miss Aria is going to be my hair model today. So thumbs up for Miss Aria. And without any further ado, let's get right on into this video. Okay, so I've started by placing her hair in a high ponytail. She has a lot of flyaways and frizzies, so I've just dampened that a little bit. And I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm going to dampen her ponytail some to keep those flyaways in check. And I'm just gonna brush that through. Okay, once you have that done, I'm just gonna pick up a small section on the right side. If you're left-handed and it's easier for you to do it on the other side, you can just flip it around. But I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna pick up a small section on the right side. And I'm going to split that into 3 sections like we're doing a regular braid. Once you have it split into your 3 sections, you want to go ahead and do 1 stitch, so cross over each side. Now once you have that done, you're going to come to the left side of the ponytail. And you're going to take a tiny strand of hair from the left side, almost underneath the ponytail. And you're going to add it into the leftmost piece of your braid. And then you're going to cross it over. And then you're going to cross the right side over without adding any hair into that. That's what's making it a lace braid. And then you're just going to take another small piece and add it in and cross the right piece back over. Now, I'm overextending the braid on the right side a little bit so that when the braid is finished, it'll lay straight down this side of her hair and not come diagonally. So I'm going back over to the left side, getting a tiny piece of hair and adding that into the braid on the right side. And you're just going to repeat this as far down as you want to go. I'm going to go about halfway down the ponytail. Okay, now when you've added in all the hair you want to add in, you're just going to finish off the braid. And I'm going to take a small elastic and tie off the end of this braid. Now, when the braid falls, you have this cute little, almost like woven effect. I'm going to dampen her hair a little more because of the frizzies, and then you can see it better. I'm going to dampen the underneath the ponytail. And comb that through. Now you can see it better. When you let go, the strands that you added in loosen up, and that's another reason to overextend the braid a little. And then it just lays right down the ponytail, a really cute, fun twist on your regular ponytail. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below if you liked the video, if you thought it was helpful, and let us know what hairstyles you would like to see us do next. Be sure to click subscribe down below before you leave. Click the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload more videos in the future. And that's all for now. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.